Seeing unusual activity detected on Elevenlabs? Don't worry, here's how to fix it fast. First, log out of your Elevenlabs account. Then click three dots in the upper right and click Settings, click Privacy and Security. Then tap Delete Browsing Data. This removes any session data that might be causing the issue. Next, disable your VPN or proxy if you're using one. Elevenlabs might block IPs that look suspicious or shared. Try switching to incognito mode or a different browser. This forces a clean session and can bypass the error. Still blocked? Head to support.elevenlabs.io and submit a ticket. Explain the situation. They usually respond quickly. And that's it. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.